Yay, bonjour! We're going to do bingo from Wednesday, February 17th. You're going to play 2 games, jeu of bingo. Indicate which numbers you hear in each game by writing oui or non in the space provided. So we have 2 games going on. I'm going to just focus on the first one first. See what we have. All right.
Jeu 1.
2,
We got de, oui.
6,
6. Do you see 6? I don't think... Okay, I think it's just up here. 6 is 6. I don't see that one.
35,
35 is 35. Yep.
20,
20 is 20. Don't see that one. 20.
17,
17 is 17. 17. Yay.
40,
40. 40 is 40. No.
51,
58.
13,
Oops. 51. 51. 51. No. 13. They just said 13. Yay.
8,
Wheat. Where's wheat? There's wheat.
26,
26. 26. 26. Yeah, 26.
52,
52. 52. Yay, right there. 52.
15,
Cans. Where's cans? Yeah, 15. And remember to review the worm songs if you're missing a lot of these.
28,
28. No, don't see a 28.
44,
44. 44, 44.
bingo,
Okay, yay. So the other ones you just put non. That they didn't call out. No. No. Okay. I'm going to go to the second game down here. Let's see. I'm going to go a little bit faster. I don't know how to toggle it, but...
Jeu 2. 58.
58. 58 is 58. Whee.
7.
Set. Set is 7. I don't see it.
31.
31. What's 31? 31. Whee.
0.
0. 0. Do we have a 0? We do. 0.
14.
14. Sorry to make you dizzy here. 14 is 14. No 14.
32.
32. 32 is 32. Not there. 32.
41.
41. 41. Oop, I see 41.
18.
18. 18. Yes, there's 18.
9.
9. Where's 9? There's 9.
26.
26. 20 is 20. 6 is 6, so 26. Don't see it. That's okay.
34.
34. 34. You got it. 34? 34.
12.
12, like a dozen. 12 is right there. 12.
56.
56. 50 is 50 and then 6, so 56.
Bingo.
And that's it. Okay, so the other ones that are blank, you just put no. 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 And we'll see if we're right. Hope so. Yeah. And for some reason it puts it twice, but there you go. And there you go. Okay. Merci. Keep doing the numbers practice.